Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to join today's workshop. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and this challenging moment. So this workshop, mechanism and design from inception to realization, is organized by the technical committee on mechanism and design. So this is about a 5-hour workshop and organized by our committee. Um, in terms of our technical committee, our TC on mechanism and design, most of the committees are arranged according to an application area. In contrast, our TC primarily utilize fundamental approaches in mechanism, mechanics, and mechanical design under a single TC. So it's a very unique like a technical committee in order to share approaches and the results with our robotics community. Our leadership team is composed of chairs, including Professor Claudio Samini, Quinjin Cho, Aaron Dollar, Mate Kiocardi. Yeah, you can correct me later if I pronounce wrong. And also junior chairs, including 8 junior chairs from different regions. The scope of our technical committee focused on, but not limited to, the items listed here. I will briefly read some important items here, including compliant mechanism, variable stiffness mechanism, design of hardware for open source projects, and parallel mechanism, soft robot, and a lot of mechanism and design topics covers really a broad topic in this domain. You can visit this website, robotmechanisms.org, to join our technical committee. And we also welcome volunteers to help organize events, sponsor workshops, tutorials, and all the activities that can contribute to our society. We are very honored to have, I think, 13 invited speakers and also 8 guest speakers. Then we will talk, give 5 minutes talk. And this is today's schedule. And you can, it's composed of 3 sessions. The first 3 sessions, yeah, you can go over the schedule briefly here. And we have close to 400 people registered for this workshop from like 27 countries. Yeah, we really appreciate your presence in this workshop. And even we cannot meet in person, I think this may be a really great opportunity to communicate with a broader population and audience in this manner. Yeah, for the 20 minutes talks and by the invited speakers, please deliver your like a seminar within 15 minutes, and we will have about 5 minutes for question and answer. And for the 15 minutes talk and the 5 minutes talk, we don't have like a discussion, but you can, you are more than welcome to send your questions in the Q&A chat box, so we can also answer your questions either by audio or by text. Yeah, try to mute your audio, especially for speakers or panelists, and but for attendees, try to, maybe you can turn on your video and we can see you and have more interaction. And all the videos will be recorded and will be posted on the workshop website a few days after the workshop, and along the speakers agree with releasing their videos. Yeah, so that's all I have to say, and we still have 5 minutes for the workshop. And if any organizers want to say something, feel free to chime in.
Maybe I can add that it's important that people that want to ask questions after the presentations use the Q&A part and not the chat, so that it's a bit clearer for the moderator to see the questions, and then we will read them as moderators and the speaker can answer.
So maybe we can switch, Professor Suzumuri, maybe you can share your screen. So yes. I will stop sharing.